A young mother was gunned down in front of her two children in what police are calling a fit of road rage. 22-year-old Whitney Gray was interviewed by a local news station about a shooting death in her neighborhood just a month before she would become a victim herself. Cops say she was shot in the chest while driving home from a grocery store in Missouri. They say this man, 39-year-old Christopher Taylor, was seen tailgating her and tried to hit her car on the side. Witnesses told police Gray threw what appeared to be a bottle in front of Taylor's car, and the next thing they heard was a gunshot. Paramedics tried to revive Gray but couldn't, and she died at the scene. This all happened in front of her two sons, who are 3 years old and 8 months old, as well as a 16-year-old relative who was in the car with them that night. Investigators say Taylor was not known to the family. Witnesses helped police identify the vehicle as his, and a car dealer helped track him down to a hotel in South Dakota. He's charged with second-degree murder but has yet to appear in court.
This person has probably ruined his whole life over this road rage shooting.
Asking for your help in identifying a road rage shooting suspect who managed to jump out of a moving car. Take a look. This is who police are searching for. They say this person shot at someone several times as they were on the phone with 911 trying to report a road rage incident. Now, this happened near M. Weiler Road and Buford Highway last month. Thankfully, no one was injured here. Officers used flock cameras to find the suspect's car. Those with any information are asked to please contact Gwinnett County detectives.